Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunke and welcome to the Web Application Penetration Testing and Secure Coding. This is the video number 26 and in this video we will continue to see cookies. In the last video we saw cookies. Now let's get deeper into the cookies. We created a cookie in the last video. Let's analyze that program. So PHP starts with this, ends with this. After that we created a variable cookie name when we give the value user. After that we created a variable cookie value and we gave the value Vikram. Then we created a variable cookie expire which contains the value 30 minutes. For example 1800 seconds plus current time. Time is a built-in PHP function which gives us the time and we are adding 1800 into it. That means the cookie will expire after 30 minutes. Why we are using 1800? Because setCookie function needs expire value in seconds. That's why 1800 seconds is equal to 30 minutes. Next we created a variable cookie path and we gave value slash. After that this is our setCookie function and we pass all the variables to that function. Now let's understand setCookie function. This is our setCookie function. PHP provides this setCookie function to set a cookie, but make sure to write setCookie function before your HTML tags. First argument is name, which sets name of the cookie. For example user, age, email, etc. Next is a value which sets content for that named variable. For example, the user variable, the content is Vikram. For cookie age, the value is 25. And for cookie email, the value is abc@xyz.com. Next is the expire, which specifies a time period for cookie in seconds. After that time, the cookie will become inaccessible. So the browser will not send that cookie to the domain. If the expire value is not set, then the cookie will automatically expire when user closes the browser. For example, this cookie will expire on 20th November at 8:30 according to the GMT time zone. Next is a path. This specifies the directories for which the cookie is valid. So slash will permit the cookie to be valid for all the directories and slash admin will only permit the cookie to be valid for slash admin directories. So browser will not send the cookie for request to any other directories. For example, if the path of a cookie is set to the slash admin, that cookie will not send to the .user or downloads directory. Next is a domain. This will tell us for which domain the cookie is valid. So in this case, the cookie is valid for vulnerable.app domain and its all subdomains. So browser will install this cookie into the cookie jar and it will send the cookie for any further request to the same domain. And remember one thing, one domain cannot set the cookie for another domain. For example, facebook.com can't set the domain value to the google.com. Next is a secure. For example, if the value is set to the true, then this cookie will only send with the HTTPS request. Next is a HTTP only. If it's set to the true, that means only HTTP requests can access that cookie and it will be not accessible by JavaScript, Java or any other non-HTML technologies. So browser using the value domain, path, secure, expire will decide this cookie is valid or not, or should it be sent with the further HTTP request or not. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.